Hello everyone, meet Miss Sindhu, where she just landed in one of the big four company, Deloitte. I would say really she's a talented and driven managed person with an immense package even, where she's now starting at 6 LPA. I know that journey is not easy. So through this video, we are going to discuss about her experience and we will be taking her insights, like how she has made this immense company with two big four of Deloitte. And let's get into waste of time. Let's get into hi Sindhu.
Hi, sir.
I mean congratulations.
Thank you so much,
Yeah,
sir.
it's I know that it's not a easy journey.
Yeah,
You got a lot of experience. But
yes.
I want to know in your words, like how it went all in SV.
Uh, in SV, sir, it's very good platform and basic foundation where we can learn many things. I have learned so many things like in accounting and finance and also communication classes. In HR classes also, we have learned many things, how to face the face-to-face interviews and all that. And we have learned many things like basic to advanced level classes are there. So in that knowledge, we had gained many things to crack the interviews. The journey helped me to crack Deloitte interview as well. So in HR classes also, we had learned many things like how to face interviews in different type of questions. Compared to other members, here we'll have learned that why should be unique in other from others. So have learned so many things from SV. So it is a best platform and good foundation for basic skills to advance to improve our skills. So
Okay,
this
nice.
was my journey in SV.
Great. But I just want to know the switch, how it happened in you. Like, what was Sindhu earlier and what challenges you faced and how
Yeah.
it switched and what you have done. Because I think these insights will be very much valuable
Yeah.
for the students.
Yes,
Definitely, I
sir.
feel that. So, just can you know it? I mean,
Yes, sir. In before coming to SV, I have the basic knowledge. Like I don't know how to put in a format or put in a professionalism. Here I have learned many things like how to talk in a public meetings, and I have improved my communication skills and also have lived my stage fears. Here in so many like quiz activities will be there,
yes.
and also like interaction with one on one will be there. So in this journey, I have learned my I have known my weakness and I have overcome my weakness and become as a strength to add on my skills. So in that way, I have improved and I have cracked this job.
Very nice, very nice.
Yes.
But I just want to know more deeper in this. So, when you are facing the Deloitte,
Yes, sir.
how many rounds were you faced in that?
Firstly, sir, while applying, after applying the Deloitte application, we'll get the assessment link.
Okay.
After assessment, there will be two rounds. First one
Okay.
is Vasant and second one is technical
Okay.
round.
Okay.
After that, we'll have an HR and situational based questions will be there in HR. Completely, they will ask as a unique questions, not
Yeah.
than other normal questions. And second manager round, they'll ask depth in subject knowledge and all that. So,
Okay.
there will be two rounds after the assessment.
So, what kind of questions you majorly faced in the manager round? As you mentioned, they were going deep. You
Yes,
mentioned.
sir.
So, what major questions you got there?
I have faced so many advanced terms of English, like how would you align yourself with your skills? How would you complete your journey with this role? What do you know about this role? How you will be seen within 5 years, the next 5 years? And they have asked me in a typical way. After listening the question, we have to think that answer. That complicated questions are there. And also in first round, HR round, they have given so many situational questions like after joining the job there will be team members, how you will face them, and there will be different mentalities, different backgrounds, different age groups, how you will face them, and all that situational questions they have. Almost I have faced 15 questions, sir, in first
Wow,
round.
wow.
Yes, sir.
But I know that, like, being a fresher, these are very typical to
Yes,
handle
sir.
even, definitely.
Yes.
Then what was running your mind and what made you to just make them feel convinced? What you've done in this?
In this, firstly, we have to be confident. Whether we are saying right or wrong, we have to show the confidence level. And the second thing which is we have to be fluent. Like they should not find we are making mistake, and
Okay.
in that
Okay.
way we have to be influent and be confident. So they will see first mostly that answer, and nextly they'll listen our answers.
Okay. You say that
So
more than an answer, like confidence on our
confidence should
answers
be there, sir.
and proper articulation, like
Yes.
how you explain it even
Yeah,
matters. Yes,
the
definitely
presentation also they will see how.
matters.
Yes,
Seriously,
sir.
that's what. See, and say you. Everyone has this knowledge,
Yes.
but the presentation matters.
Yes,
It
sir.
shows the difference from person to person.
Person, yes.
That sounds great. Yeah, yeah. So, see, you want the best company, you want the best package,
Yes,
you have to
sir.
face the best things
Yes, sir.
to crack it. And I know you're worthy of it.
Yes,
That's
sir.
made you to be here today.
Yeah, thank you.
Which
Sir.
college you're from, Aman?
I'm from Komuru Pratap Reddy in technology, sir.
Okay.
In that college, I have completed my MBA in finance stream. I got very good percentage there.
Oh, very nice, very nice. So,
Yes.
where are you based out from?
I live in and born and brought up in Gatkesar, sir, near Rampalli village.
Oh, very nice of
Yes,
that.
sir.
So, just I want to even figure out few things from your
Sure,
end
sir.
to make. I mean, what difference you have seen in the knowledge of accounts and finance? See, that's an open book.
Yes,
I have to
sir.
say it's an open book everywhere.
Yeah.
But in this open book also, what you've seen before and after in this SV?
Sure, sir. In my academics, I have learned only the theoretical part. Just for the, we'll read only one day, like for the exams only. That is theoretical part we have read.
Definitions.
Yes. Just to learn and put it on paper, just will get the marks. That's all. Here I have learned many things like basic, like golden rules also. This much will be there. Like that I have seen. Just we have read as a theoretical part to gain the marks only in our academics.
Yeah.
But here practically how it will be implemented in the finance stream and the companies, what exactly MNC companies need from our accounting background, all we have learned here practically. So that was a major difference to improve my skills and all that.
How you felt with the trainers here? Like what made
Yes, sir. It was good, sir. Like, so this sir also explained very much in accounting. Like, we have to sit for 2 hours also, we listen
You
his
feel
classes.
comfort.
Yeah.
Very nice.
It will be interesting what will be next, and the things will be, it will be going to straight to the mind only, sir.
Great.
Like, no need to again prepare again. So, it will be completely understanding classes only.
So it's great. Just
Yes,
the
sir.
insights gets into your mind.
Yes, sir.
That makes the practical exposure makes you get that.
Yes, sir.
The theoretical makes I don't say it creates a mess up, but
Yeah.
practical things.
Sir will give so many real examples so that it will be stuck in our mind only.
Oh.
No need to again prepare separately. This was like in colleges, we just read theoretical only for only exams. But here we have learned so many with real examples. We had gained practical knowledge.
Great insights from you.
Yes,
Great
sir.
insights and great experience.
Yes.
See, one more thing I want to just put out. A lot of people are feared of failure.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? What do you want to say about that?
Really, sir, from failure only we can learn many things, and we'll know what our weakness exactly and how we should prepare for our success. So we have to fail for getting success, sir.
Exactly.
Definitely. This failure will get learning of patience. So
yes, I think you learn.
Yeah, so much I have learned. So before I don't have that much patience, but I'm waiting for this job and I'm clearing these rounds. I have learned so much patience.
Do you think that you got the best thing now?
Yes, sir. It also helps in our life also, patience. That was I have faced the situation in my journey.
No, that's superb journey. I can see that definitely.
Yes, sir.
That's an inspiring journey for me because I know you put a lot of efforts even somewhere.
Yes.
Sometimes I have to say luck doesn't favor, but
Yes,
we
sir.
should not worry about that.
Yeah.
We have to wait for the right time.
Only the thing is hard working and patience should be there, sir, for success.
Yes.
Automatically luck will be there.
Definitely, that's what you are the example for that.
Yes,
I can
sir.
say definitely, and I'm very happy for you.
Thank you
I
so much,
congratulate
sir.
again on that.
Thank
and
you.
I wish you all the best. At last, you want to score this institute out of 10. And if you want to say something more about this institute to the people who are watching this video, or
Okay.
if they want to know much about, what do you want to share?
I'll rate 10 on 10, sir, because here we can learn many things. In our colleges, just we'll learn and go. Here, the interaction classes will be there. One-on-one, they'll find out while speaking also, like in your classes also, you have found out many weaknesses and mistakes. You'll find the mistakes and you'll correct them. In that way, In outside, sir, no one will say our mistakes. Just they will reject interview when we'll go walk in. Here, mock interviews will be there so that we can learn, examine, like we can
Update.
update and we can check ourselves where we are lacking and all that. So in that way, here mocks also very important role to identify the mistakes and to be successful in the interviews. This was the thing, sir.
That's great. That sounds really good and inspiring.
Yes,
Even
sir.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much,
And
sir.
thanks for your review on that.
Thank you, sir.